In this class I am going to explain basic and administrative functions of office. The last class we have learned that the definition of the office and meaning of office and importance of office. Okay, so what is the definition of office? An office is a place. Office is a place where an office is a place where all the clerical activities are being done. An office is a place where all the clerical activities are being done. Okay, so without office there is no organization. An office may be big or small depending upon the size of the organization. Okay, so and we have seen some importance of office also. It is a channel of communication. Okay, so in this class I am going to explain basic and administrative functions of office. Basic and administrative functions of office. Okay, so the office functions are divided into two categories. One is basic functions, second one is administrative functions. Basic functions, administrative function. So first of all I am going to explain the basic functions, then afterwards administrative function. So this is a picture of a modern office. Okay, so now the office functions, it is categorized into two types: basic functions, administrative function. Okay, so this is a picture of the modern office. Here you can see, so here the employees sits here. Okay, there are so many computers, so tables like that. This is the layout of the office. Generally the office is arranged in this manner. This is a view of a modern office. Okay, so the office functions are categorized into two types. One is basic function, the second one is administrative functions. Basic functions, administrative functions. Okay, so the basic functions are these. So the first one is the receiving and collection of information, recording of information, arranging and analyzing of information, communication of information. Okay, these are the basic functions of any office. These are the basic functions of any office. Okay, so what are these? Receiving and collection of information, recording of information, arranging and analyzing of information, communication of the information. So any office has to receive or collect the information from outside. Okay, so any office generally receives or collect the information from outside, right? So the information which the office has received, that should be recorded in a systematic manner. Okay, the first one is receiving and collection of information. Second one is recording of information. It means generally any office receives some information from outside. It may be a letter, it may be as data related to some particular work. That information should be recorded in a proper manner. This is called recording of information. The next one, arranging and analyzing of information. Means, so the information, whatever the information received from outside, it should be recorded, and the information after recording, it should be arranged in a systematic manner for analysis or for analyzing the same information. Okay, after an arrangement or analysis, the information should be communicated to the higher officials. Okay, so the basic functions are receiving and collection of information, recording of information, arranging and analyzing of information, communication of information. Okay, so any office generally receives information from outside, and the information should be recorded in a proper manner. Okay, so and arranging, analyzing. Okay, so depending upon the task or depending upon the activity, the information should be arranged in a proper manner and it should be analyzed, and the same information communicate to the higher officials for decision making or for any other work. Okay, so these are the basic functions of any office. Okay, then next to administrative functions. Administrative functions. Okay, so administrative, first one is safety and record of assets. Safety and record of assets. Okay, so whatever the assets, generally in every organization there will have some assets. There will have some assets. It may be a computer, or it may be some machines. Okay, some machines needed to the office to do their regular work. Some Xerox machines. Okay, it may be computers, tables, almaras, like that. These are all called as the assets of office. Okay, so the administrative function, it should be, okay, so the safety and record of assets. And the second one, introducing of office systems and routines. Okay, so the work should be the work or office work, routine works. In every office there have some routine works and there have some specific works. Okay, so the introducing some kind of system should be introduced in the office. Okay, so it should be in a systematic manner. The work have to be done in a systematic manner. Okay, then next to forms designing and control. Forms designing and control. Forms are designed to store information needed. So these can be redesigned as per the changing needs of organization. So the layout or the design of office or the assets or the main should be in a proper manner, proper design and proper control. Next, stationery and supplies control. Stationery and supplies control. So stationery is costly. Its purchase preservation needs control. Generally the office uses stationery. Okay, so it should be in a proper manner. The stationery should not be wastage. Okay, so then next to selection and purchase of office machine, equipment and furniture. So proper machines have to be selected for office work. And functions of management process. Okay, so the management has also see the new techniques, introducing the new techniques. Okay, in order to work the efficiently and effectively. Okay, so recruiting, training, placing and remunerating of office personnel. Okay, so generally the employees are recruited. Okay, so generally employees are recruited, then only the office will run smoothly. Then the training is to be required. The training is to be required for the employees. Okay, and they have to be paid remuneration. And effective public relation. Okay, the public relations are very much needed. That should be very effective for the smooth functioning of office. Okay, thank you.